Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two popular Colmi smartwatches. We have the latest, although the number here states that it is P77, and we have our previous smartwatch here that we reviewed, the P78 Smartwatch. On this video, we are going to compare the two wearables. So we will compare the design, the specifications, and the UI. The P77 versus the P78. So we will check if what are the difference when it comes to design, the specifications, and UI. So if you are interested to see the difference between the P77 and 78, watch this video. And again, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and compare the two smartwatches. Again, we have the P77. We arrange it like this. So this is our latest, and this is our previous Colmi smartwatches. I think we reviewed this several months ago, the P78. So we have here the packaging. Both do have a compact, simple packaging, but I like the design here of this one. It is, most of the smartwatches by Colmi do have a packaging like this. Simple, compact. We have a model here of the smartwatch, and at the back we have the features and specifications here. While for the P77, it's a bit thick but slimmer, as you can see. Still, we have a preview here on the model name. At the back, we have the features and the specs on the bottom part. Okay, simple packaging also, but more, I think it is more durable compared to the packaging of P78. Okay, the next we have here the smartwatch. This is our P77 and a P78. So let's check out the design here. Both do have a rectangular body frame, but much slimmer. Okay, I'm going to change this to see the border. Slimmer black border here for the P77 compared to the P78. We have a plastic body frame. Both do have a plastic body frame, but for our P78 we do have a rotary function. The P77 we only have on, power on, and off. Okay, on the side we have a built-in flashlight here for the P78. For the P77, just plain power on and home button. Okay, at the back we have the sensor. Both do have a pogo pin, flexible silicone strap with a quick release pin for easy replacement. Flat finish. We have a glossy finish here. A more sporty looking smartwatch for our P78, while for the P77 we have a minimalist look or design. Again, for the design, again we do have a built-in flashlight here on this side. So which do you think is better in terms of design? So for the weight, let's check out the weight. So we have here our weighing scale. Let's see if it's still working. Yes, it's still working. For the P77, we have 40.51 or 40.49 grams. For our P78, we have 39. Just a minor difference, I think. Yes. Barely 1 gram when it comes to weight difference. For the specifications, let's check out the specs. So we have here the specs. The P77 do have a 2.01 inch. Okay. For our P78, we have a 1.95 IPS LCD AMOLED screen display with a 410 by 502 pixel resolution. Much better pixel resolution for our P78 compared to P77. Both do have an IP67 waterproof rating, and we have here the features: Bluetooth call, health monitoring. We also have here the flashlight. We don't have it here for the P77. The only specs here that we have is the display screen and the compatibility. We'll state the full specifications of both wearable on the side here. I'm going to add, including the battery life, as well as the support app. Check it out. Okay. So which do you think is better in terms of design? Next, let's have the UI. For the UI, settings and options. Okay, I like the design here, or the settings and options for the P77 compared to P78. On the bottom part, we have notifications. On the other side, we have one dashboard here. The P77 do have the latest UI compared to our P78. We have the widgets. Okay, so which do you think is better in terms of design? For the UI. Then, to access the main menu, let's see if we can access it here. I think we have to go on this one. Here, just press the power button. Obviously, we do have a much better screen here for our P78. But in terms of the UI design, I like the P77. It's much better. Okay. So that's it for our comparison of its design, the menus, and the UI for the P77 versus the P78. For the details on the menus and features, watch out for our second video. Again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.